What it do, boo? What's up, y'all?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
And welcome back to another vlog, little weekend vlog. You know, spend the weekend with me, spend like the next basically 2 days with me. But anyway, so it's Friday night. It's 10. What time? It's actually later than that. It's 10:47. Oh no, sorry, I was watching Red Table Talk. But anyway, Friday night, 10:47, going on 11 o'clock at night, and I need to clean my apartment. Y'all, my apartment is a hot mess. I ain't lying to you. Like, it's horrible. Like, look, I was cooking earlier, got the air fryer. Like, it just got stuff everywhere. Had some cake. Gotta wash the dishes. Look at that, just a hot mess. Living room mess. Went out of town, never unpacked. Just left my suitcase right here and then just dig stuff out when I need it. Like, I don't know. I was washing clothes. Then got tired of washing clothes. So I just stopped. It's just like, the apartment's a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up tonight because, I don't know, I feel like I have more energy at night than during the day. Like, during the day, when the sun is out, I don't know, I just like to chill and relax and like enjoy the day. And then at night, when it gets dark, I feel like that's when I want to do like work and stuff, you know, like that's when I want to work, clean, blah blah blah, you know. So that's what I'm about to do right now, is clean up, listen to Red Table Talk. If I got a lisp, if I'm talking different, it's because of my Invisalign. But by the time this video come out, you'll already see my Invisalign video, so you guys should know that already. So, yeah. Let me go ahead and start cleaning up, y'all.
But this shit the same damn thing. Got niggas paying $1,000 about that pretty brown frame. I don't mean to Impala. This is just how proud of. More about your business. You must be religious. God done took her time. And you're tired of hearing those same old lines.
Good morning, y'all. It is the next day, Saturday morning, 11 o'clock. Headed to go get my eyebrows done because I have an appointment at 11:30. But y'all, let me tell you, I don't know about this gas, but it need to go down. It has never in my life cost me $40 to fill up my little Honda. Never since I had this car. When I got this car, I had this car in 2015. So I had this car for almost, because I got it in October 2015. So I've had this car for 6 years, going on 7. It's never in my life cost me $40 to fill her up. Not Cocaine Connie, no. It has never cost $40 to fill up Cocaine Connie, but today it did, and I don't like it. I feel some type of way about it. I don't like that at all. At all. But anyway, yeah, I didn't really do anything else last night. Well, I washed my hair. No, last night I cleaned up, which y'all saw a little bit of. Then I just ate the rest of some cake, and then I went to sleep. That was all I did last night. So today, this morning, I washed my hair, which is why I got it like in these. Can you see it? I just got it in like 2 flat twists going back into a ponytail. Oh, and also, y'all, so I've been I was doing my hair this morning. I was just like, you know, just looking at my hair, and I'm just like, you know what? I'm tired of this skunk stripe. I am. I'm over the skunk stripe. It did what it needed to do. It did. And I'm over. I just miss having like just straight black hair now. I'm over this skunk stripe. So I think whenever the next time I get my hair straightened, I'm gonna talk to her about it and just say, you know, I want her to dye it black. And then just, it did, like I said, it did what it needed to do. I've had it for, where did I get this gun? Oh, I got it like May last year. May, June. I got it like May last year. End of May, beginning of June, somewhere in there. Last year. It's March now. It did what it needed to do, but it can go. I had it for a couple months. And also because I never really got the color I wanted. Like, this is not the color I wanted. This is just like, I wanted it to be like an ash blonde, and it never got there. So, I'm just like, whatever. I'm trying to think of anything that I need to tell y'all that I haven't, because it's been a while since I've, you know, recorded and vlogged or whatever. But y'all ain't really missed out on nothing. I ain't really been doing anything. I'm trying to work out, because y'all, So, up until 25, I've always been skinny. Always been a skinny girl. But then, you know, the what do they call it? The second puberty hit. I got hips and stuff. I got booty, which I'm happy that came. But what also came with the hips and booty was a stomach. My face got a little full, and it just became so easier. It's like my I don't know if my metabolism slowed down, or is it just I went like around 25. That's when I started like working full time at my office job. So I went from, you know, doing more movement, you know, like I was in college, you know, you had to walk around campus. Like I was doing more walking, and you know, I was only working part-time in the office, so I wasn't doing that much sitting down. But then now it's like I literally sit down for 8 hours a day during work. I sit down, work, get up, and then I also work from home. So I get up from my desk once my shift is over, and then I go sit on the sofa. So I'm not even like doing anything active. I just sit all day. So I don't even know if it's just because like I'm starting to gain weight, just because you know, you get older, you gain weight, and you know, your metabolism changes. But I also feel like it's because I went from being more active to like literally just sitting in front of a computer and desk every day for 8 hours. And so I think that kind of messed me up too. So I need to get this weight off me. Like I was 130 for a minute, and then I was up to 140. I was 140 last year. Around this time, I was 140, and now I'm 150, and I'm just like, no, I do not like the way 150 looks on me. Face is so fat, my stomach is getting big. I was like, I gotta change something. So I say all that to say that I'm trying to, you know, be more active. So I work out. I got this workout plan. What is it? It's from that girl on Instagram, which I know Instagram workout, because with the Instagram workout, you don't know if the people really worked out their body from like their natural body, or if they just got a BBL and then, you know, and then just working out, they do the upkeep, and they didn't, you know, really get their body from working out, but they got their body from that BBL. But anyway, it's the lose the fat, gain the curves, or lose the fat, keep the curves, something like that. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing now. The shape I want is already there. Like I already have my shape. I have a, you know, a smaller waist, big hips. Like I have that shape. But it just, I got a stomach, and I don't want that stomach. I don't want that stomach. And then I have a butt, but I want it to sit up more. So I don't know. I just want to, if I could just like move the fat, get rid of some fat, and then move fat to other places. I don't know what it's called. It's called something. And then also, I'm doing the little meal plan that came with the little workout thing. It's not a meal plan. She just tells you like stuff that you can eat. A list of things that you can eat. And so I've been going off that list. You know, I have a cheat days a little bit, but really not that much. I'm eating a lot better than normal because I had to stay with on that list. I'm cooking more at home now, which before I was eating fast food every day, like fast food and takeout every day. and now I'm not. So yeah, but the crazy thing is about it, it's been 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks. I've been working out every day, haven't had any fast food, and I haven't lost any weight at all. I've actually gained weight. I went from being 150 because I weighed myself at the beginning. I went from being 150 to 152. So I don't know what's that about. My boyfriend was like, it's probably because you gaining muscle, you know, because muscle weighs more than fat. I'm like, I'm not doing any weight building. Like, I'm not doing any weight training. Like, it's mostly just cardio. So I don't know. All right, so the eyebrows are done. Oh, do I got wax on my eyelid? Why would I blink? It's sticking. All right, y'all, so I got my eyebrows done. Yeah, so now let's go home because I'm hungry. All right, so I'm back. I'm about to walk in here to get my Brazilian. Y'all ain't missed nothing. I came home, like I said, took a nap. No, I ate my salad and then I took a nap. Woke up, came here. So it's 3:11 now. My appointment at 3:15. So let's go ahead and walk up in here. Y'all really about to see me act up. I'm telling you, like, I'm not, like, I'm doing good with getting them done once a month. But when I tell you, I be jumping all over this table. y'all about to see. Y'all, I got this fan up here I need because I be sweating so bad. Really?
You're the reason for the fan, shorty.
No, I ain't. Y'all just say I'm not the reason for this fan, but I do.
Oh, but you are. Oh.
Yeah.
You don't have to grab stuff, not me.
Y'all doing too much. Both of y'all ain't done at the same time.
I ain't doing nothing. Girl, cut your foolishness out. She's on. Both of y'all. Act right on that camera.
They gonna see the real me, honey.
You usually be soap.
This the fan they got for me. Hit it directly because I be sweating so bad.
Yes, Lord. Bad. Open your eyes.
I can't.
Ready?
No. It's a long since I've seen you.
I know, she taller than you.
I know. You know I'm vlogging.
Oh.
You see my teeth? You can't see it? You see the things I got?
What is it?
It's attachments to make it stay stronger. All right.
Okay, you can talk.
You know, I don't like talking to people either.
Okay, well, Dom,
Stop, Tia. It ain't even on you. It's on me.
Okay. Y'all think y'all wrong?
I got paid.
I got paid.
How old are y'all?
18. Both of y'all 18. I'm gonna try to get that.
I think I'm gonna get the fried green tomatoes. You like fried green tomatoes?
You don't eat vegetables.
I eat them when they fry.
Now I got them questions from a bootlegger when they're on teeth.
Why they say they're bootleg? Because they gave it to her, she didn't
You
need
know,
it?
people be doing like them teeth whitening and stuff like that. People that be doing teeth whitening.
So you ain't get it from an actual orthodontist? What you got from who, girl? You ain't get it from somebody off of Instagram or nothing, did you? On Facebook. On Facebook? They got a little office. You gonna post on YouTube?
What,
Yeah. Are you want to be on it? Yeah. Hold on, let them introduce themselves, y'all. Look, introduce yourself, Diamond.
I'm Diamond.
You got nothing. You want to try your Instagram? No, nothing.
Oh, brown
Facebook.
skin _diamond.
Okay, brown skin.
No, you don't tell me how to say it. Don't tell me how to say it.
Well,
What? Real?
Tia seafood dip kind of easy, but my fried green tomato is busting. I'm back, y'all. It's Sunday. So yeah, I ain't do nothing after I left you know, you seen me and Tia went to the restaurant or whatever. Then I just came home, took a shower, and got in bed. But anyway, so it's the next day, and I got some family here because y'all, I'm about to get into rug tuffing. That's about to be my new hobby, rug tuffing. New hobby / side hustle. Once I get good, I'm gonna start selling them. So my favorite brother and my only brother, he came to put my frame together for me. And this is my niece Jemiah. Say hey, Jemiah. And that's Storm just looking, being nosy.
When I began candy.
Isn't that right there? Looking at Jemiah?
Oh.
It's about time to start making rugs. Yeah. So yeah, this is the frame, and then you put the yarn spools right here, and then you put the single strand of yarn through here, and then it's the nails on there to hold the cloth. So I'm excited, y'all. Like, I'm really excited to start making rugs. I'm probably gonna make my first one next Sunday because I still have to go buy some yarn, some clamps, this other stuff. I'll just do it next weekend. Don't worry about it this weekend or whatever. But I'm excited, and I do plan on like making a video like of me doing my first rugs. So yeah, make sure y'all watch that when it come out because I'm excited. And then when I start my rug business, support your girl's rug. It's okay. But yeah, so that's it. I'm really just about to sit and chill. I really ain't doing nothing else for the rest of the day. Probably buy some sushi because you know how I am about that sushi. I love it so much. But yeah, buy some sushi. Can't talk with this dang Invisalign tray. Buy some sushi. Edit a video. Because I just finished recording a video about my Invisalign. So I just finished recording that like a few minutes ago. So I'm gonna edit that. And then just chill. So yeah, if I don't talk to y'all no more after this, peace out.